Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help people master their journey, and in this video, I'm going to go over a very powerful technique that is literally magical. It is magical when you put this to use in the real world. So before I begin, smash that like button, man. Let's get into it. If you're digging this content, listen. If you want to find out who people are, if you want to create attraction with women, if you want to be in your own emotions and not let anybody else make you reactive, this is what you do. Straight up, no gimmicks, silence. Display silence. So, this is huge, man. This is huge. When I figured this out years ago, it was monumental, absolutely monumental, because number one, it forced me to be unreactive, because you kind of train yourself through doing this as well. And also, the second thing it did to me was it made me, on the external, more susceptible to learning who the other person was that I was dealing with at the moment, right there. Easily and without effort. No effort at all. You literally just stay silent. And I'm not talking about be creepy silent where you're just like, don't be a statue. Live life, man. Have fun. At some point, man, you gotta realize that all the content, all the bullshit that you consume only gets to a point. You then have to take action. Implement these techniques. Go on the real world, man. Meet people, men and women alike. See how it works for you. So number one thing I'm going to tell you about this, let's deal with men first. If you are silent in a conversation, for one, above all else, of the dynamics of being social, you are allowing the other person to speak, being unreactive to their story, okay? This is good things. This is how humans interact in a respectful way, especially man to man. If you are silent in some sort of situation and the other man is, oh my God, extremely reactive, value-seeking, just needy, that right there tells you who they are. Now let's go on the other side of that. A man who has value that he gives himself because he knows that he is on his mission. Okay? Non-needy, non-reactive. Those men, they don't ask for your acceptance. They ask if you require more information to carry on the conversation. Because, man, if you view yourself as high value and you are on your purpose, on your mission, man, just you actually taking the time to converse with somebody else is taking your time. You value yourself so much that you want to know, look, man, is this going through you? Is this computing? That is how high value men act. Low value men, needy value. Gimme. Do you like my story? Do you like what I'm telling you? That's how you know. And silence will tell you through and through who a person is at the core. Now, let's talk about females. I think if you've been watching any sort of dating channels or, dynamics between men and women, it's pretty well known that being unreactive, not being emotional, holding masculine frame, all that's good stuff. But you can also raise attraction and find out who this person is at the core by being silent. Now, first, to find out if somebody is crazy, if they're just nuts, watch how they react when you are silent to something they say to you or something happens, whatever. Just use it at a correct time. Don't be weird, have some sort of calibration. But use silence, not to gain attraction, but to find out who that other person is at the core. Okay, is this girl crazy? Is this a psycho chick I'm dealing with? Like, who is in front of me? People are nuts, man. You never know. You never know. And by doing these little things, creating that tension does more than just raise attraction, man. It puts a space there for the other person to be who they are. Not a lot of people can hide themselves for a long period of time. Use it to your advantage to keep yourself safe. Now, that tension creates attraction. We all know this. We know this. Man, if you've been paying attention to anything on YouTube, which I know you guys are, beyond anything else in their biology, at the core, in their genes, it signals to the opposite sex that you create and can uphold security. Security. I don't care how tough women will try to seem. Okay? I know girls that do that, man. They try to seem tough. I don't need no man. I don't need that. But deep down, their biology cannot deny that security is a necessary element of attraction. And you know what, man? You got muscles. You look the part. You know? You act the part. You got your shit together. That's the icing on the cake, man. All that external stuff, icing on the cake. Use these techniques and watch the magic happen in front of you. Also, watch the magic happen inside of you. When you are silent, especially around women, if you are not true and congruent to who you are, it'll show. It'll show. And you want that. You want to put yourself in positions like this. Don't stray away from stuff like this, man. Don't ever. We want to use this to level up. Like, man, all guys that are just starting out, learning how to talk to women, if you're young, it's really tough getting over that hurdle to just simply walk up and say what's up. That right there is the same thing I'm talking about. You place yourself in the position to fail. Just like in the gym, you place yourself in the position to fail so you can make freaking gains. That's how it happens, man. That is, for me, that was life-changing. Absolute, positively life-changing. When I learned that I could use silence and just watch the curtain open. And it literally is like watching the curtain open. Nobody can hide from themselves. So I hope that helped you today, man. If you dig this kind of content, go downtown. You know what I'm talking about. Go in the description. Hit that buy me a coffee link. You can support my work. You can book a one-on-one coaching consultation strategy session. Hope to see you there, man. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one, my friend.